Hi, today's top tip was suggested to us by one of our users. We thought it was such a cool little idea that we'd share it with you. I'm Alex Barlow, co-founder of Axiom. Let's dive in. And just before I start, please click subscribe to get even more great videos on how to automate the web. Thank you. Okay, so the top tip was this. And yes, it's to do with emojis. Okay, open up Axiom. And if you're like me, I've got a long sprawling list of axioms and I'm not sure what state each one is in. So look here, you can use emojis. Simply pick an emoji that highlights the condition of your axiom. So let's say this one's in development. I'm going to add another wrench and click save. And then if I've got a complete axiom, which I know is working, perhaps I may want to use a little smiley face, because let me just cut and paste it. Show me that that axiom works, and I'm extremely happy with it. Okay, let me go back. There you can see, emojis help you identify the state of your axioms. That's a handy little tip shared with us. If you're out there, thank you.